This video will show you how to install the Etrel INCH Lite EV charging station. To complete the installation successfully, you will need some standard installation tools and accessories provided in the package. In the box, you will find the charging station, wall mounting bracket, 9 wall plugs, 9 screws, a cable gland rubber seal, 9 wall spacers, a set of keys or a hex key, and a magnetic cable holder. Additionally, you will need the Phillips screwdriver, hex screwdriver, utility knife, crimping pliers for cable end sleeves, wire strippers, and cable rippers. Let's start by preparing the wall for the installation. First, measure and mark where to drill the holes for the wall mounting bracket. The installation height should be around 100 centimeters from the ground to the bottom of the bracket to ensure the charger is in its most optimal position. When marking, make sure the bracket is leveled and that the charging station holder is attached to the mounting bracket to prevent bending. Then, drill 9 holes for screws and insert an anchor screw in each hole. Next comes a power supply cable preparation. If the power supply cable needs to go through the wall, the hole must be drilled first. Make sure it is big enough to manage the wires after they are pulled through. If the cables are connected to the charging station from above or below, make sure that the power cable can reach the charger's port without effort or strain. The extra cable length available for the installation should be around 40 centimeters. Align holes of the mounting bracket with the drilled holes and tighten the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Depending on the charger model, prepare a Phillips head screwdriver, hex screwdriver or key, and cable glands. Make sure the rubber inside the gland is of the correct size. Now, remove the service doors on the charging station side, untighten the screws on the cable gland plate with cable glands and remove the plate. Proceed with the preparation of wires. First, prepare the power supply cable by removing around 15 centimeters of cable jacket, allowing you to connect the wire with the elements inside the charging station. Next, pull about 15 centimeters of power supply cable to the other side of the gland, along with about 2 centimeters of cable jackets to completely seal the gland and ensure easier cable manipulations inside the charging station. Make sure that the cable is fastened securely. You can tighten it by turning the plastic gland top in a clockwise direction. Place the gland plate in its position to align the plate holes with the enclosure's holes. Double check if the cables are long enough to be connected and screw in the gland plate using a Phillips head screwdriver. Secure the grounding wire first as there will not be enough space to do it later. Connect all the phases and the neutral wire in accordance with the wiring standards on your location. For models with RCD protection, insert an additional fork wire in the slot for a neutral conductor. If in doubt, look for a label with labeled phases on top of the connector terminal. Now, tighten the screws so that the cables cannot be pulled out and sufficient electrical contact is achieved. Attach the service doors back to the charger and remove the charging station off the holder. Now, take away the bracket holder. While doing this, hold the charging station firmly for the whole time, as it is not supported anymore. Now you can mount the charging station on the wall. First, attach it to the top hooks of the wall bracket and then gently push it to the wall. Tighten the screw until it is completely fastened. If the charging station is equipped with RCD or MCB, check whether the RCD element is in on position and connect the charging station to the power supply in the electrical cabinet. The installation feeder should be turned on. Keep in mind that the first boot can last up to 10 minutes. The charging station is ready to charge an EV when the status light is lit in solid green. The LED indicator color and blinking frequency signal different status of the charger. For more information, please refer to the user manual. In INCH Lite, the default current setting is 16 amps and can be checked by a short press on the button inside the service area. The number of beeps indicates current setting, with each short beep representing 2 amps value. A button press of 5 seconds allows the setting of the charging current. After the initial beep, each short press increases current by 2 amps from the initial value 0 amps. The minimum allowed current is 6 amps. To save, press the setting key for 5 seconds or more. A long beep indicates the setting was saved successfully. Congratulations! You have just installed the Etrel INCH Lite EV charging station. To ensure the charger is wired correctly, please conduct electrical measurements according to IEC standard or local legislation. Please see our website for more information about the installation process, including documentation, warranty certificate, or troubleshooting.